Hi everyone, today we're exploring the Vancasso blossompiepan, a 10-inch red stoneware pie dish perfect for baking. This round pie plate features a charming ruffled edge that helps prevent crusts lumping and soggy bottoms for flawless pies every time. Made from non-toxic stoneware, it ensures safe daily use with no harmful toxins leaching into your food. The pan heats slowly and evenly for beautifully browned bases and perfectly cooked fillings, whether you bake quiches, apple pies, or custards. It's fired at high temperatures, making it resistant to cracks and stains, and it's dishwasher, microwave, oven, and freezer safe for easy cleanup and versatility. Ideal for family meals or special occasions, this deep dish adds style to any kitchen and makes a thoughtful gift. Plus, Vancasso stands behind their product with excellent customer service for peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.